anything that you want to learn, anything that you want to know, please feel free to ask, because I'm here today to not just teach you guys something, I'm also here to learn. So the only way for me to learn is for you guys to ask me and also for you guys to teach me. Because there is no one in this world, on this earth, who knows everything. Correct? Am I right or am I right? Am I right or am I right? I can hear you. Yes, thank you so much. So, if you guys, we will continue this session on the other side, okay, because we have the boys as well. So I hope you guys are comfortable. You guys can sit separately if you guys want. And yeah, I'll have a brief conversation with you guys. And I also have and I also have small presents, some presents for you guys, but I couldn't bring for all of you. So yeah, I can only give to those who ask me really, really good questions. And yeah, are you guys excited for that? Okay, so you guys will know the present after this. So thank you so much. I'll see you on the other side. Okay? Thank you. See you guys.